was waiting on the edge for everything to start. I couldn't see my hands. This emotion was an art, but things I couldn't mend will never be too far. And now I'm standing up against a wall. Wish I could start this all over again, in trying to make sense of this, I miss the entire moment. Something I needed to acknowledge. Now look at where I am, going in circles again. Going in circles again.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Tech Chess. I am your host, Steve Nyanumba, and we are back again to recreate something. Recreate yesterday's stream, believe it or not. Yes, yesterday was a bit of a failure, but today I'm having the energies, I'm having the ups. Today we're going to be doing a lot more, and we're going to be doing it a lot faster. Don't mind my Reddit over here. Oof. It's been a long, crazy day. I am so beat. But today, I'm gonna have something different. We're not gonna have coffee, because coffee doesn't work anymore on me. So we're gonna have tea. Ouch. We're gonna have tea. We're gonna have tea. Ooh. Let's go. Yesterday we were talking about creating an inventory, creating the way of generating the invoices for the inventory system. Let's go back into it and just look at what it is that we're dealing with. Okay, we're good to go. Now I'm gonna be opening the inventory application. Just going to close the other application I was dealing with. I'm going to run npm run dev. That's how we go about that. Today we are early. 9 p.m. and we're already live. Yes, indeed. Today we're very early. Oof. Feels nice. Feels nice. I've not had tea in quite some time, especially the tea bags. But here we go. Here we are. Where do I put these cookies? Man, I don't have another stool to put these.
Standing in the midst of the crowd, but
Nobody hears me.
starting at the top of my lungs.
Let's go. Oh, in the name of love.
Look what you made me. I've been praying for the rain to fall. Wash me down so I reborn. Open heavens, let it pour. You can love me again, again, again. You better love me again.
Okay. All right. We are good to go. I think we're at a good start now. So let's refresh this to see if the styles will load up. Now I want to do some lazy loading on this, but let's finish with the invoices first and the quotations as well. Okay, so I'm going to go and view invoices list. This is how it goes about. You do not have any, you've not generated any invoices. What I want to do, I want to come in here in the add new invoice situation, then select one and then save. So once I hit save like that on sale number 4, I'll be able to generate like what the balance is of that particular sale. So let's go back to it, yeah, and then we see what it is that we need to do. So I'm going to go to the create section. Going to, of course, put the value of the sale ID there. What I want to do is also attach the sales balance. So I'll just come in here, do balance, and then I'll open the brackets here. I'll open the brackets here, and then I'll do sale balance. I don't know why my IDE keeps on misbehaving like this. So come in here and you can see the balance is already checked in. Now, in order for you to actually be able to know how it's being dictated or how it's being stated, I'm going to just do a number format around this. Then I'm going to add currency over here. So X currency. That's it. Let's see what happens. Toasty. Okay. That being done, once I click this, it's going to save this into the database and then pop up like on the main page, the main invoices page. So in order to do that, we have to open up in the create function, which is in http livewire invoices index. Sorry, not index, but create. We have the save function over here, of which once we've already like put the user ID, we need to also, okay, we don't require the amount, but the amount needs to be put inside the system. So I'll say this invoice amount is equal to the sale amount that we're dealing with over here. So I'll say this invoice sale amount. I'll select 6 over here and then I'll keep on saving. Well, looks like there's nothing throwing it. You can see unknown column amount and field list. Connection MySQL, insert into invoices. They probably shouldn't have put this. Attempt to read property name on null. So it's going back to the invoices situation. Oh, and by the way, that just in case we have not covered it, we've not covered this model having a user. So a function called user dictates that this belongs to the user. So you can see user must return a relationship instance, but null was returned. Oh yeah, sorry, return. It's running. Oh, there's something we've not done in this create function. But from what it's showing me is that there's an amount column. So I'm going to come in here and do invoice. And we have the file here, invoice index. Oh, sorry, not invoice index. You have to go to the database. Now I'm getting that sleepy urge again. I don't understand what's going on with my body. Maybe I just need a short nap and then I come back. Maybe, just maybe. So when I create an invoice, there's an amount that's been given as a default value. Yeah, let's take that break. Yeah, let's take that break. Damn, why am I feeling like this? Okay, we're back. Okay, we're back. Okay, we're back. I just needed to shut some eye. I need to get shut eye kidogo, just a little bit, and then we can carry on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so now we have our invoices. We created this functions over here. They have the user function that we created just a few minutes ago at the very beginning of the stream, and then we took that break. Okay, so okay, let's see what we can do with this. So whenever we hit create, it's supposed to actually take this amount. How about we do this? Yeah, we'll take this sales invoice sale ID, this invoice sale ID. We'll say sale, which is a model. Then we'll say find ID, and then we'll come and do balance. That's it. So this ID is actually supposed to be replaced by this invoice sale ID, which is fine. Then you take the balance, you attach it to the amount, and then save. So let's actually see what happens in this situation. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to come in here, come and say add new invoice. I'm going to select one that is balance 50 and save. So you can see column not found, unknown column, amount in field list, right? Invoice sales ID, user ID, amount, and we have all those things. So unknown column, amount in the field list. That's the problem. What could it be? We have amount over here. Maybe it's a given situation that we have not actually crafted a page with that amount in it yet. So I'm going to do PAMFS to just craft out a fresh on the DB. So let it seed some purchases, let it seed some sales, and then we move. Man, that cricket is so loud. As well. Okay, now we're doing sales. I think sales will take a bit longer. That is tea in my system now. Let's go. So where's that cricket? I don't even know where it is, honestly. Come on. Finish up.
Closer to heaven when I'm in your arms, feeling your
Finally, now purchase payments done and sales payments also done. Okay, finally that has been done. Okay, let's see what we have here.
Don't tell me where we're gonna go, just take me.
Okay, so we can generate a new invoice. We'll take this one for 41,900. We'll save it. We can see our amount is there. Great. We're good to go. We're good to go. Let me do a bit of a change here.
I've been up, I've been down, I've been kicked down to the ground. By the
So before we go on, let's play it here. Okay, so now this is what's going to happen, yeah? This invoices will generate for as long as the sale ID and the amount are not the same. So I'll come in here and do a validation, and then I'll come in here and say if sale where sale ID, oh, it's not sale but invoice, where sale ID, we'll say sale ID, I'm going to use sale ID is equal to this sale ID, right? So this invoice ID or sale ID. Okay, if this invoice where sale ID is equal to this invoice ID, and then we also do where then we use amount is equal to the amount in this situation. Let's do it like that, yeah. Sale find invoice ID balance. So I'll come in here and say this amount ID, this invoice amount, sorry. And then we're to do a throw validation exception. Which is an eliminate validation. We come in and use with messages, and the message will go on till the invoice sale ID. I'll say this invoice already, an invoice with these parameters already exists. Similar to this already exists. check. Okay, I'm going to come and do this. Yeah, I'm going to take this. I'm going to come in here and say invoice. Okay, and then we come in here and do if invoice exists. Okay, then we come in here, check invoice number, and then I'll come and do dot, then I'll come say invoice first, and then I'll take the ID. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to come in and generate another one for sale number 5. An invoice similar to this one already exists. Check invoice number 1. This is already okay. So we have finished invoices. We have finished invoices. Now all we just need to do is go to this view invoices list, check the sale that is already attached to it, and then we do the attaching of the payments as well. Yeah, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to come in here. It's a very dynamic. I'm just going to make it very dynamic at this point. But it doesn't attach. It doesn't attach the amount paid already. No, it does. It does. It does. I know what to do about that one. So let's say we make a payment, okay? Let's say we make a payment. So this is an invoice. So invoice means that sales payment. We have to create a new sales payment. We sell number 5. Payment method M-Pesa. The amount paid will be 40,000. And I'll save. Okay. Then I'll come into what's this? The invoices again. I'll come into view invoices list. Right, we're viewing invoices list. Okay, if I come in here and add a new invoice for sale number 5, you can see I have 1900 over here, so I'll come in here and save. Okay, so I want to generate a way we can talk about, like, say, the balance that is on this amount and what the balance that's on the invoice. Alright, but the balance that's on the sale itself, like the total amount on the sale itself. Okay. So now we're going to add actions in this table. So that's the last thing we're going to be doing. Actions, and we're going to do it at class text center. Oof, okay, we're good. Then we do td. I'm just going to go into units actually. So I know I brought that one here. So index. I'm going to grab this real quick. Oh. Going to grab this real quick. We'll close this up. We go to index. We come and paste it there. So instead of units in this situation, we come and do invoices and edit. But then we're not going to edit invoices. That's the thing. We're not going to edit invoices. Then are you sure you want to delete this invoice? Event stop immediate propagation. delete invoice ID. That's it. And then if we go back to the index, I think we have our delete function that's here. That's all right. I think that's it. That's all we're missing. Oh yeah, we also need to view, of course. So I'll do a.btn.btn what? I'll do dark. Then inside it I'll do an icon of fas.fa pdf or file pdf. I think that's how it is. We need to save that, we see what happens. Yeah, file pdf, as you can see. So inside here, this href, it needs to open a link somewhere. It needs to open a link to the file. So I'll do admin invoices show. That one is supposed to be inside this route here. So I'm going to come in here and do it inside invoices. Where is it? Invoices here. So I'll come and do ID show. No, this is quotations. My goodness. So I'll come and do, instead of edit, because we're not going to use edit, we're going to use show. We're going to create show. Okay, this class, in fact, I think I want to try something here. Check me out. So this is what we're going to do. PA make livewire admin invoices show I'm going to delete edit, so I'm going to come in here and do PA remove livewire remove. Admin invoices. Ooh, fluctuation. Is it a power flux? Admin invoices edit. That's the one that we're going to remove.